Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So my family and I are planning a Disney World vacation in a few weeks, and I thought it would be fun to pack my park bag with you guys. So if you're interested in what I take with me to the most magical place on earth, then just keep watching. So I am really looking forward to our trip. I pulled my crossbody Dooney and Bourke out, and this bag I've had a couple years. I love the beautiful Disney sketch iconic pattern. It has Fantasyland. It says Walt Disney World. It has Minnie, Dumbo, Chip and Dale, the Disney balloons. I mean, it's just the most beautiful bag. I feel like it really goes with pretty much anything I would wear in the park, and it's definitely festive. So you can still pick this crossbody bag up at the Disney store. I've had mine for a couple years now, I believe. I want to say I paid $220 for this bag, and it is beautiful. I love that it has the metal feet on the bottom. It has a great long crossbody strap, and it's just a really good bag. It's durable. I've been to Disney with this bag, and it is the perfect bag. It's not too big, but it's not too small. Fits all the essentials. So let me show you what the essentials are for me personally. I'm going to go ahead and start with the most adorable cosmetics pouch. Of course, it matches, and Dooney and Bourke knows how to do it right. It's a really cute size cosmetics bag, and of course fits in here perfectly. So I know we're at an amusement park. I get that. But we take so many pictures while we're there, you guys, from, the memory maker. And so I'm always having to kind of freshen up here and there throughout the day so I can get some of those great pictures. So I have to take a powder with me. This is my favorite, CoverGirl Advanced Radiance. And I have to take hand sanitizer because, we touch all the rides and all the stuff. I do have issues with my eyes, allergies, and I do wear contacts, so I definitely need to have some eye drops. And then, of course, for all those photos, I need a lip gloss. This is a Fenty Beauty Ice, really good one. And then I always carry a MAC lipstick for touch-ups. And I picked this up from Amazon pretty recently. It's just a contact case. So it has your contact case, and then you can put your saline solution in there. And that is so ideal to take with you to the park. So that's going in there as well. And then I'm also going to add my contacts. I always carry an extra pair of contacts. I am blind as a bat, guys. So if I don't have my contacts, I will run into things. Literally. So my cosmetics pouch is packed. Let me put that in here. Let me just show you real quick the interior. It has a slip pocket there, and it also has a zip pocket. And of course, the beautiful red interior brings me joy. So I'm going to go ahead and put my pouch in there. And then, of course, you have to have your sunglasses, and I always carry these they're lens wipes. I always carry these with me in case I need to clean up my sunglasses, and it just makes it nice that they have a solution on there. Sometimes I'll use the microfiber cloth, but other times I need something a little stronger. So in go my sunglasses. And I also am going to have to take a card holder. Normally I take some cash with me for just in case, and I'll put it in the middle section of my card holder. Cash is also great for tipping while you're there. And then my husband always picks up Disney World gift cards. It's cheaper when you buy them in the gift cards. And then it also kind of helps you keep track of what you're spending. So closer to the trip, I'll get some of those. I'm going to put that card holder in my slip pocket. And then I'm also going to add my little Longchamp coin purse. This is so cute. My whole family calls this the child from The Mandalorian. I'm not really sure, except that it must be because it's green, it's cute, it's small, and I carry it everywhere I go. I don't know. So I am going to use this as a bit of a first aid kit, I guess. I always carry Dramamine. My little girl gets motion sick very easily. She gets car sick, she gets sick on the plane. So I always try to prevent that whenever possible. We also have allergies, so I always try to bring the non-drowsy Claritin. That can go in there. Also, I always carry these sort of wet ones. It's always nice to have, especially when you're out and about. And then I never leave home without these, and these are not what you would think of as a Band-Aid. Let me show you the box. These are the Hydro Seal. They're basically blister pads for if you're walking around and it starts to rub a blister, this pads the blister and stops hurting instantly. It protects it so well. So that fits in there as well. I have learned my lesson. Do not leave home without those. So the last thing in my little first aid kit are Tums. And I need those because if you've been to Magic Kingdom at Casey's Corner and you have eaten the coleslaw dog, I love the coleslaw vegetarian dog. My husband and son love the regular coleslaw dog, but my daughter and I love the vegetarian one, and I may need Tums when I'm done, but worth every bite. But I cannot wait to get a vegetarian slaw dog from Casey's Corner. Starting to get hungry. All right, I'm also gonna add some sunscreen, and then my husband also will be carrying a backpack, and he'll probably have a full-size sunscreen so that we can spray throughout the day as well. And then of course we can't leave home without our phones, and that fits in there perfectly. So that is everything that's fitting in there. And then this little pocket, it isn't deep enough for my cell phone, which is kind of a bummer, but I just go ahead and use the front part for my Listerine kind of breath freshener spray. It's nice to have if you have too many onions on those hot dogs. And then I also really love gum. And if you've been to Disney World before, you know they don't sell gum at Disney World. Nowhere on the Disney World campus do they sell gum. So if you're a gum chewer like I am, make sure you bring it. Evidently, Walt Disney did not want gum stuck all over his rides and throughout his amusement park, and I understand that. So bring your own gum if you're a gum chewer. That is everything that fits in my bag, and that is everything that's going with me to the parks each day. If you guys can think of anything that I forgot that I need to take with me, put it in the comments down below. I would appreciate it so much. And also, if you have some essentials that you always take when you're not just going to Disney World but on a vacation, or if you're at some sort of amusement park and you have a must-have essential item, put that in the comments down below. I may find that I need that in my life too. I hope you guys enjoyed packing my park bag with me. If you did, don't forget to like this video, and I'd love it so much if you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on another Pack With Me video that's coming up closer to our trip. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, bye guys.